Hi, this is Idilio and Jennifer.
And then our baby Clay up here.
And this is our bus. We don't really have a name for the bus. We just go by Why Not Locos, because it's kind of our motto,
right.
The way of life. Why not? And a lot of people think we're crazy, so why not Locos?
So a lot of people think I'm crazy too.
So this is our house. It's a 2001 Thomas bus, 30 foot, and we do have a keyless entry. Ended up using the original door. You can come in. So welcome to our house.
I like the workstation over the...
Yep.
So this is my office.
Little office.
I have like a curtain where all the Spanish speaking flags. I'm a high school Spanish teacher, so
Okay.
I'm always working. So when we're on the road, we just gotta find a good place to
Get service.
get service for a little bit. And I got all the internet, that's from the school. I got a phone and everything, and then a second monitor as well there. And then when we're driving, then I just remove everything, put it down. And this is our living room. 2 couches.
I'm not sure if these cushions are thick enough.
I know.
We may have to go down.
That's what he was talking about, getting them, just trimming them some.
Trimming them a little bit, but it does turn into a almost like a full-size bed.
Yeah. So they pull together.
They
Right.
put together. Then we got a storage underneath. We got a diesel heater underneath, and
Yep. I like the diesel heaters. It's so nice when it's chilly. It just, the bus is warm.
yeah.
So we
It's dry.
just installed it. Like,
Just installed it, and I got it to work today.
yeah.
Yeah.
Because before there was something wrong with the pump. I don't know what was going on.
Yeah.
And we have here is our
Our dining room.
dining room,
Kitchen and dining room.
We do have, this used to be from a Ford Transit van,
Right?
and then they're bolted down, and if we need to clean around, they come off. And when we travel, the table goes up, car seat goes right there, and then Jennifer, my wife, she sits right here with the seat belts. That's one of the things that she really wanted to have, seat belts.
Right.
And then we have an apartment size stove, and it runs through propane. We use the oven once in a while, especially if it's cold, but if it's not, we just cook outside.
Told a lot of people when they ask, because they're like, "The cooktop, do I really need an oven?" I said,
We like it.
When you need an oven and you don't have one, that's a problem.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then other than that is storage, isn't it?
And a lot of people store pots and pans in
Yeah.
it
Yeah,
when
that's
they don't
where
need it.
our
So
pots and pans are.
That's
Yeah.
what we do.
I should, because I hardly ever use it, but I
Yeah.
don't.
And then this is like an apartment size, right?
Well,
Apartment size
wait,
fridge.
back to the oven.
Oh.
In the winter,
Yep.
especially in the winter, when it's cold, I'm like, ooh, it's a little chilly. Like, I'm gonna bake some cookies. Like,
Right.
so I do a lot of baking. Cause like,
A lot of potlucks at these gatherings.
Yeah.
I bake
Yeah.
bread.
oh yeah,
So the bus smells great. I have nice
Yeah.
warm bread.
yeah,
Yeah. I didn't this time, but
yeah.
I spent too much time cooking chili.
Then we got our sink right here. Little extra area for chopping or doing anything. Tankless water heater through propane.
Yep.
And then in here is kind of our bedroom. So we got this kind of like a pull-up best for the baby to sleep. Her bed in here. Our dresser, so those usually divided by each of them are one.
Storage in the steps looks like.
Yep. So it's storage in here. It's mainly for our dog, so he can go up the bed and come down.
Sure.
And then you can see the.
So you got a garage back in here?
Yeah, so in the outside, I built the garage, and that's where all the batteries and my tools and everything I got in there. This is a short queen size bed. I just upgraded to it. And then we got storage underneath, the water tanks, and more storage underneath. Oh, and we do have like a washer spinner down there that we use once in a while if we're connected.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
And composting toilet?
Yeah, we have a composting toilet and pretty much a full-size shower in there. And then the hitches I made them.
So when you first started out, Did you had you thought about latching this first, or did the door start sliding as you were driving? And
So it slide. Yeah. It wasn't until I don't know how many few trips that we were like, oh, we gotta build something that way it doesn't move that much.
So we got a bungee cord.
So right now when we travel, it's closed and we have like a bungee cord and we just hold on to it. And then we added that piece of wood right there that's gonna be our ruler for the baby.
Yeah.
Sure.
And it helps not to get out of there.
I'll talk to a lot of people about how your first day on the road, you find all the stuff that you thought was secure.
We did a few trips just to test out and see what we like, what we don't like, what works. I remember the first time the fridge just came out flying.
Yep.
I was like, oh no!
I just did a whole remodel on mine and thought I had a way to have all the drawers latched.
Yeah.
Nope. So yeah, if you come on over, I can give you a tour of mine. I can show you what I did to get rid of that problem.
Okay.
But no, very nice bus. I like it.
Yeah, thanks. It took us about a year building it since we got it. We've had it for about 2 years, but we've been on the road since December.
Right. Well, thanks for the tour. Do you have any social media presence if somebody wants to get a hold of you?
So we're on Instagram and also on Facebook. Why Not Locos?
Okay.
Yep.
All right. Thank you.
So yeah, check it out.
I hope you enjoyed the tour of that latest rig. I will have a new one next Saturday. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified. So make sure you don't miss them. Lots of cool rigs coming up this year. See you down the road, my friends. Stay safe.